Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the green and black Spark salted caramel and almonds. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So inside this packet or pouch is the green and black Spark salted caramel and almonds chocolate pieces. And they are smooth dark chocolate pieces textured with salted caramel and crunchy chopped almonds. So taking a look at the back of the packet or pouch, there is some information about them. And of course, the nutrition information as well as ingredients. And being organic, they don't have any preservatives or artificial colors and flavors. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, ripping the top off. And let's take a look inside. So there is a grip seal on the pouch or packet, and looking inside the packet, you can see those lovely pieces of dark chocolate. And seeing if I can give you a much closer in look. Oh, so the camcorder is doing just great, giving you that very close-up look as they are sitting nicely inside the packet. Okay, so now let's pour them onto the tabletop. Just a few of them, not the whole packet. And just giving you a look as they are sitting on the tabletop. And let's take a piece and take a close-up look at it. So this is the green and black Spark salted caramel and almonds chocolate piece. And you can see in the cross section right there, or the side profile, there are Rice Crisps in them. And of course chopped almonds and the salted caramel flavor as well. So giving you a close-up look. So you can see on the underside it's somewhat flat, but on the top side it is quite textured with a very lumpy surface, as you can see, with a combination, of course, of Rice Crisps and chopped almonds. And of course, the majority of the chocolate piece is of dark chocolate. And let's just snap it in half, see if that makes any difference, just giving you a better cross-section into the dark chocolate piece and what's inside of it. So you can see the chopped almonds on both sides there, split in half. And let's take another piece, set that down, take a larger piece to see what it looks like right there, and to give you some sense of scale, resting in the palm of my hand. So as you can see how it's made, one side is flat, of course, laying on the tray or conveyor belt, depending on the manufacturing process. And of course the top layer is sprinkled with the ingredients of course, the Rice Crisps, as well as the chopped almonds. And of course included in it is the salted caramel mixed into the lot. And let's just tip a bit more out so you can get a better idea of the uniformity, or at least the size of the pieces and how they appear. So right there So pretty much consistent, and they have an average kind of very random size, so not quite any uniformity in terms of the shape. They are somewhat rectangular. But here, back again, this largest piece so far. And let's take two pieces side by side, showing you the top and the underside right there. And just turning it around and showing you the edges of them as well. So right there, nice good look at the green and blacks, organic, bark, dark chocolate, salted caramel, and almonds pieces. Okay, so I'm just going to set the packet to the side right there. And let's just take another piece right here. And just giving you a look right there. And let me do a little bit of shifting around in the background. So right there, giving you a nice good look at the green and blacks, bark, salted caramel, and almonds dark chocolate piece. And you can see it's not very melty, hasn't melted in my fingers yet. And now let's go ahead and of course taste it. So nice flavor to it. The sweetness isn't too strong, very mild sweetness, if any at all, being dark chocolate. However, it's not bitter either, and it just has that very uniform and even texture to it in terms of the crunch. So nothing too gritty or nutty in terms of having the pieces of almond in there, and of course the rice crisps. And the caramel flavor is very subtle. That salted caramel, very subtle. So I think kind of neutralizes any sweetness to it, if any. So very overall, very kind of neutral tasting, and that texture and grittiness, no grittiness, like I said, very smooth overall, with some crunch, and of course a little slight bit of creaminess to it. So just going to give you another look at one of the pieces right there. So that's the green and blacks, bark, salted caramel, and almonds. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking!